Hey everybody, Jim here, and in this video I'm actually try to find settings for doing like a live stream, because a lot of people, they have messaged me on Telegram, on Discord, and on Instagram like, hey, can you do like live streams and stuff like that? And might decide to do it. It won't happen every day. Whenever I have time, maybe we will schedule that. Right now, I'm shooting that video, like pre-recording that video, in order to have some challenges. I'm to be honest, right now I'm not that tech savvy, and I'm using Camtasia, which, from what I know, is about is for like recording stuff, not for live streams. I don't know the softwares and the tools that used for that. But I have my channel. I don't want to shoot every day or every week a different video with stuff that you can find on the on the YouTube, like the other YouTubers that doing shooting essentially videos just to to show to you some indicators in order for them to push their stuff, and in order to get paid from you. Okay. I want the content to be a little more different. I want to like roll up our sleeves and actually do the work. So I decided to do some challenges, maybe money challenges. Right now, I'm using my IC Markets account, and I'm trying to do like not five, $50 to 5,000. Then another maybe 100 to 10,000, or $10 to 100, or $100 to 1,000, $100 to 10,000. Stuff like that. Maybe getting some challenge accounts and passing some prop firms. We'll do that together too. Maybe I mean, I have so many ideas and I have so little time. Like, I want to do like gaming stuff, poker nights, trading. I want to do all that stuff, but as you could see, not much time. But anyways, this account is like right now $50. We will try to make 50 to 5,000. We might make it, we might not. By the way, contrary to what many people believe, to make a lot of money is relative easy if you have the good risk reward in place. You need, for example, if you take 60 trades with 20% profit, and $200 starting balance, you end up with 200,000. Now, those 60 trades, you might say, okay, do I need to take them in one day? You could take them in 60 days, one trade a day. You might want to take it 5 trades a day. The goal is to make 20%. Now, is it easy to make 20%? No, it's not. But that 20%, I mean, for some people it is. But at some point you will end up like a lot size issue. But another workaround is that 20%, which is the goal to make like per trade. So 60 trades, times. I mean, that's why I need the the software. Maybe it would had something to type and edit and draw. Let's do it the getaway. What's not WhatsApp, like snipping. So let's do it like that. So no, just to have an idea. Now, if you want professional stuff and your favorite guru with editors and stuff like that, let me tell you, this is not the right place. At least this is not the place that you're looking for. If you're looking for stuff that works and actually someone that do the work, maybe this is the place for you. So with $200 initial balance, right, with 20% to make per trade, don't worry, we will break it down. Okay, with 60 trades, that could be 60 trades, you maybe make them in a day. Obviously you won't gonna find that many setups, or maybe you find them in, I don't know, in 60 days or in 40 days, whatever. Plus you will have losses, but we will check that. Let me put here TR trades. You will end up with 200K. Now, 20% is the goal. Someone could adjust that. Okay. The second thing is 20% a trade. For my system, I use small stop losses like 5 pips, 10 pips, 3 pips, and it's easier to make 20% by risking not a lot of money. Okay. Other people won't be able to do that if their risk reward is like the RR is like 1 to 3. It would be tough. Okay. So we want, high, small risk, high reward, but to be able to to risk to have a moderate risk, but because the reward it would be many times over, it would be easier for us to scale and absorb losses, plus it would be easier to make the 20%. Does that make sense? If not, you will get it in the future. Right? Now, the second thing, this 20%, okay? If let's say, and this is about you, okay? Let's say maybe you're not that good. Great. No problem. What you could do is you say, okay, I have 60 trades, I need to make 20%. Okay, let's say 60 trades in 60 days. So 1 trade per day. But maybe your system or what you do is not that great. And that 20%, you maybe break it down to 4 trades. 4 trades. You make, 4 5% per trade. You make 4 trades, so depending how you enter. So the goal is to make that number. Maybe you want for start to adjust that and say, okay, I want to make 10%. Okay, and that 10% split it in, I don't know, 5 trades. And those, when you do 5 trades and when you make that 10% you count as one trade here. Does that make sense? Because you need 60 of those that make that. Okay, so here, for example, maybe in 4 trades we make that 20%. Does that make sense? That's with that. Let me see if I can shapes, no image crop, text. Okay, and let me see if I do it like that. Great. Great. Now I want to do some challenges, maybe challenge, money challenges, as I said, and maybe educate you and a lot of stuff. And um, if we get a momentum, get familiar with the tools. Obviously, from what I see, Camtasia is not for that. It's like pre-recording stuff and not many options. You know, we will be able to do this more frequent, and who knows, maybe we will be able to connect like 2 times a week, 3 times a week, who knows, right? Now, for that I started with 50. So, and by the way, I was up a little bit more, but nonetheless doesn't really matter. So 20% is like $10 here. I could exit on one, and by the way, I'm risking. Let me actually see. I'm risking. I have it here, and I have it here, and I have it here, and I'm risking about $4. So $4 to $5. So yeah, but as the account grows, I will risk less and less and less, and I will aim for higher like risk reward. And it was bad because if you're looking that, let me tell you why it was bad. Today the market was dropping, and I didn't set up that, so we lose all that momentum because one trade might make 40%, 50%, right? So yeah, that's all for that video. What else I wanted to say and to show to you? I mean, I will leave it the account like that. If it comes a little bit higher and make 20% or 30% the trades, I will close them, and I will record every trade or actually take them live. Now for Asia session, I don't know if how it will work out, like to give me 1 second. So for ASEAN session, I don't know how it will work out, or let's say I want to take a trade. I won't set up a live stream just to take a trade and then leave unless it's something easy. Maybe we'll set up a live stream for a session or a part of a session, right? That's all. As soon as if you have any recommendation about which software is for streaming. When I say streaming, I don't mean like to show my face and stuff like that. This is not important. like to be able, to do the stream. I mean, I will type streaming softwares and I will try to figure it out this weekend. That's all. If you have any questions, reply below and talk soon. Cheers.